Hey dear, I just wanted to tell you about the leads we're selling. As you know, we are from the Island for Deals. We are looking to sell you leads that are gonna give you realistic expectations from sellers. For instance, one of our criteria is that if someone doesn't have a solid motivation, it can be anything, but cannot just be money. It can be, I want to relocate, I want to downsize, someone passed in my family. I don't know, I'll just name my, pay my neighbor, or I'm just traveling the world. It can be anything, but has to be something besides money. Another of our criteria is that people needs to be intentional. We ask them, are you ready to sign paperwork if we move forward with this? And if they say yes, or says, but I'm not ready to relocate, or I need time, we let them know, okay, that's no problem. We can start discussing if we can be a good fit to collaborate together. And if you need time to relocate, we can assist you with that. Like we can give you time to relocate. It's not like we're gonna kick you out of the property next day. Like that can be work, but we try to let them know we're ready to do business. Are you ready to do business too? Of course, sellers are sellers. There will be people that say yes, and some other times change their mind. If they do change their mind, what we can do for you is replace the lead, because I understand something happened, people change their minds, and I don't want you guys missing out, right? Another of our lead submission criteria is that the timeline for them to relocate cannot be more than 4 months. Can be less, can be a week, 2 weeks, a month, 2 months, 3 months. Crazy, extensive, 4 months. More than that, next year, 6 months, it's not gonna get to you. That lead will never see the light, because I wanted to keep it the more realistic as possible. You guys have a lot of competition out there. I'm a wholesaler myself, and competition is difficult. Nowadays, people has more options, and with more options comes more uncertainty and more considerations. Like if before people were to sign the first purchase agreement, nowadays they want to talk to 2-3 other options. And we have realtors, we have mortgage companies calling them to refinance. So this lead submission criteria that we have is to make it as fair as possible for you as an investor, fix and flipper, or wholesaler. Another point we touch during this verification is, why don't you list with a realtor? Like, why not? We try to uncover any other competition we may have. We try to dig deep, like if there's another offer, why you didn't take it, what you didn't like about the offer. We also ask them, like, why not keeping this as a rental? Have you considered this? Because what we want to do is uncover what they have not or considered, and we want to let them feed us with the information. Yes, we still ask about the motivation. That is very important. That's our first layer. We want the price, how much they need in order to sell, relocate, or what is their situation financially. We try to make it conversational, but these are our guidelines. This is what we want to know. We also ask them, when is the best time to call you? Is morning, afternoon works better for you? Are you the only property owner? Is there anyone else who should be aware of you selling the property? Because in the cases that they say it's a private property, okay, and is there any other heir that should be signing off on these, or what's going on? Or in some cases they are executors, so that's a whole different history.